In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks Online tutorial, adding supplier, purchase invoices. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record a supplier bill, so your inventory updates automatically and your accounts stay accurate. Start by heading to the left-hand navigation and opening expenses. This is your central place for tracking what you're spending and who you owe. From there, go to suppliers or vendors, depending on your QuickBooks Online version. The name can vary, but both take you to your list of companies you buy from. Next, choose the supplier who sent you the bill for products you're adding to inventory. Selecting the correct supplier keeps your records clean and makes future reporting and payments easier. With that supplier open, click Create Bill. This opens the bill form where you'll enter all the details you received. Fill in the bill date, due date, and the supplier's reference number to help with matching and aging. Now, focus on the items you purchased. For inventory to update correctly, use the Item Details section rather than Category Details. In Item Details, pick each inventory item you bought, enter the quantity received, the rate or unit cost, and any applicable tax. If the bill includes multiple items, add them line by line so quantities and costs are tracked accurately. You can include shipping or other fees as separate lines. Just remember those charges won't change inventory quantities. If you track things like location, class, or custom fields, add them here as well, so your reporting stays consistent. It's also a good idea to attach a copy of the supplier's bill to this record for quick reference later. Before saving, take a moment to review everything. Confirm the supplier, dates, currency, and the item details, especially quantities and unit costs. Using the right items is essential. If an item isn't set up as inventory, it won't update quantity on hand when you save. When everything looks good, click Save. QuickBooks records the bill, and if inventory tracking is enabled, it updates your quantity on hand and recalculates costs according to your setup. That means the next time you look at your inventory list, you'll see the new quantities reflected and your valuation updated. And there you go. You've gone from expenses to suppliers or vendors, selected the supplier, created the bill, entered the inventory items, and saved. Keep this workflow consistent each time you receive a supplier invoice for stock, and your books and inventory will stay aligned.